Welcome back to Chef Super Salsa. Today we're going to make the huevos ranchero salsa, the one I use for chips and a lot of dishes. It's not that time consuming, but it's something that goes very well with a lot of things. And I put it in a lot of my videos, but I don't want to keep making this over and over again. So I'm just going to make a video for it. That way you watch this enough times, you'll make it and it'll go good with your dish. So watch and learn. And don't get burned. So we're gonna need 2 hunks basil, garlic, and oregano 14.5 ounce cans, 3 Roma tomatoes, half an onion, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 guajillos, 3 garlic cloves, and 4 chiles de árbol. We're gonna chop up the cilantro very fine. So you want to dice up the onions, not too small and not too big. You just want it a nice size, kind of chunky, but not that chunky, so that way the salsa has a nice texture to it. Finely slice and dice your tomatoes. Then bunch them up, and you're gonna cut them into squares. Again, not too small and not too thick. You wanna cut your guajillos with a pair of scissors. For the most part, that's the standard way of doing it. Open it up, take all the seeds and any stems you see in there, make it real clean, and do the same with the other ones. You want to get a small pot and fill it up with water halfway to add your tomatoes and guajillos. Now, add your tomatoes and your guajillos and let it boil until the tomatoes start peeling. You want to add half a cup of water left over from the tomatoes and guajillos. Then add the rest of your ingredients and get ready to liquefy. Turn on the blender and let it run for about a minute or until it's finely chopped. Add the 2 cans of tomatoes into the blender. And again, liquefy until it's finely chopped or for about a minute. Add a little bit of olive oil into your pan. Stir it around and get ready to put the sauce in. And be careful because, oh yeah, you will get it all over the place and you will get burned. After the sauce is in, you want to stir it around for about 15 minutes total. But you want to do this every 3 to 4 minutes.
After about 8 minutes in, you want to add your sugar. You want to stir it around and let it simmer for about another 2 minutes. And then, when you're done with that, you want to add your vegetables. Now you want to add your vegetables. Now it's been a total of about 10 minutes. You want to stir this around, again, very firmly. And then after that, you want about 5 more minutes of cooking time. And then you turn it off. And there you have it, huevos rancheros salsa. And you could also use it for chips and dip.
Welcome back. We're all done. But, you know, I'm not gonna sit here and eat chips because I already ate. So, again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, tell your friends, and, you know, spread the word. Chef Superchido's on hit. So I'm glad you learned and you didn't get burned. So I'm out.